You're watching How to Password Protect a PDF File on iPhone. The native Files app does not have a password feature, so you need to use a third-party app or the built-in print to PDF method with a Notes lock. For the Notes method, open the Notes app and create a new note. Tap the camera icon, select Scan Documents and scan your paper document, or if you already have a PDF in Files, tap the plus in the note and select Add Attachment to import it. The PDF will be embedded in the note. Tap the three-dot menu in the top right of the note and select Lock. Set a password for this note. Now the entire note, including the PDF attachment, is password protected. To access the PDF, open the note, enter the password, then tap the PDF to view it. For a more direct method, use a dedicated app like Adobe Acrobat Reader from the App Store. Open Acrobat, tap the Files tab and locate your PDF. Tap the three dots next to the file and select Protect. Choose Set Password, enter and confirm your password, then tap Apply. The PDF is now encrypted and will require the password to open in Acrobat. You can also use apps like PDF Expert or Goodreader which offer similar protection features. The encrypted PDF can be saved back to your Files app, but you'll need the original app or Acrobat to unlock it. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.